What's going on, guys? It's your boy Michael V Tech here with a brand new short video. I guys want to show you something cool with automation for charging your phone battery. So first we want to go to shortcuts. From shortcuts we want to go hit automation on the bottom. And then from there we're going to go create a personal automation. And then we want to go search for charger, right? So we click on charger. And first it's going to ask us when. It's going to say charge on the top, and is it connected or is it disconnected? We want to make sure that it is connected. Then from there we're going to hit next. And then it's going to ask us if we want to add an action. So we're going to go hit we want to add an action. And we're going to go look for speech to text. And then for the text we could say, for instance, feed me. And then we're going to go hit done. And then we want to go hit the arrow next. And then we could choose what language we want and what voice do we want. So we're going to go click voices, and we're going to go hit Samantha. And then from there, we're going to go hit next. And then it's going to say ask before running. We want to make sure that's turned off. We want to say don't ask. And then from there, we're going to go hit done. And then we're going to go exit out of here. And then we're going to go hit connect.
Feed me.
There you go, guys. That's an automation for your iPhone while charging your phone.